Right, so we've just arrived at Moto 101. We're doing a team building experience day on the motocross bikes here today, so stay tuned and we're going to show you how we get on.
Yeah, not on a track, so it'll be an experience.
Yeah.
But feeling a little confident. So
yeah, it's fired up already.
Would you reckon?
How was it?
It's good, not too bad. At least it didn't come off.
Yeah.
First time on a track.
You ever ridden anything?
I've ridden a sewer on, that's about it.
Oh yeah.
Dirt bike.
Different level to that though, isn't it?
But at least it didn't come off.
That's all you need.
That's all I need.